Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Attention, attention, here's the tour update for Bitcoin. And guys, look at this on the daily. We have it here, a really bad star, a doji reversal star with a medium reliability. We will talk about this soon. But I have also some really good news for you guys. Watch this video, only 6 minutes. I promise it's a really important video, important update. Guys, have a nice time. Watch the video. Yours Biti, let's go. Here, a really quick watch on CoinMarketCap. We can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 0.8%, but in the week, 8% in the plus. Ethereum is going down a little bit, Binance going down a little bit, Solana down a little bit, ADA Cardano is going sideways, XRP down a little bit, so you can see no big moves here, no big moves. Avalanche is going down 5%, okay, that's not so, that's really much, but let's watch. What's the biggest winner in 24 hours? It's Engine, and the biggest loser, it's IOTix. 7 days, the biggest winner, Near Protocol, and Terra Luna is also going up really nice, and the biggest loser is Waves, OKB, and XTC. These are the biggest losers. So we have a Bitcoin dominance about 40.4% and Ethereum dominance for 20.4%. And if you're watching this here on TradingView, you can see the Bitcoin dominance is going down. Guys, attention, we are once again on our big support line. If we will lose this line, guys, this would be the time for altcoins. Attention, we will watch this every day. I will give you this update here every day, what's going on with the dominance. 40.26% for the moment. This is the really big thing that must hold, and we are for the moment under this support. So, but now the price prediction, this is telling us, damn guys, we will go to the moon tomorrow. We will go to 55,000. Look at this is really nice. Here, December 26, 55,400 is telling us the prediction here. And then a sideways going Bitcoin and then a little bit down here. This is telling us the Coin Codex price prediction. And this is maybe a thing we will check here a little bit later in this video. Now we will check the sentimental. We are still bullish, 66%. And now let's go a little bit deeper. Here's Fear and Greed, and Fear and Greed index is showing us, oh yes, we are still here with 39 points and we have still fear in the market. Now let's go to TradingView, and TradingView is today a little bit confusing. You can see on one day a neutral, a sell, and a buy. Now that's really nice. On 4 hours, a sell, a buy, and the buy. On 2 hours, neutral and the buy, and the 1 hour is telling a sell. So damn, what should we do? And that's the big thing for today, guys. It's possible to see a big move to the upside and also to the downside. And I will show you very soon why. Here, first of all, I showed you this at the beginning of the video yesterday, December 24th, Christmas Day. We made this doji star a bearish reversal pattern with a medium reliability that we will go down, and this is really bad. But I am your Biti, and I can show you some nice things also. So that's the big thing for the day or tomorrow, guys. Let me show you. First of all, we have a big uptrend, you know it. Then second thing, we have a little uptrend, and you can see this is the chart picture from yesterday. This was the video update from yesterday. What happened? We lost the middle line of this little uptrend. We lost the middle line of this little uptrend. Nice. Now, guys, the big thing is, let me show you what's the next big stuff. Let's remove this stuff. Let's remove this and this and this and this. Today, only a 6-minute video. I promise, guys, I make it really fast here for you. Now, let me show you. We made here, you can see this, a triangle on the bottom. We made here on the next thing, a triangle again. Here on the downside, I don't draw it here again. And we made maybe we make for the moment the next one. This is maybe the next step to the next move to the upside. It is possible. It is really possible. Before I show you this special pattern, let me show you. If we are watching the Elliott wave theory, we have here the wave one. The wave number 1 to the upside, 2 to the downside, 3 to the upside, and the 5th wave is maybe the biggest waves to the upside. And if we are watching to our big target to the upside, 55,500, let's check the prediction again. Here, 55,500, okay. We can see it also here on my live stream, but now here, 55,500, we can see the 5th wave may go up to this point here, and 55.5 is the 0.5 Fibonacci. That's the next big resistance. If we can beat this 0.382 Fibonacci, 52,000, we must beat this first. But then the next big target is 55,500. And this would be the 5th wave here, number 5 wave to the upside for this pump here. And guys, I can show you now a really big stuff. Watch this. Let me show you this on the 15-minute chart. Let's remove all stuff so you can see it better. I hope you can see it better here. And let's zoom in a little bit more. And guys, if you're watching this chart picture, what can you see? Use your brain, use all your things I learned, you guys. You can see here a really nice chart picture, and this may break out here really soon. First of all, a line from the upside to the downside. The next one, a line from this to this. It's a triangle. Yes, Biti, we know that. And then if you're making this on the left side, and this one here also, you can see, yes, that's the next diamond pattern. We have here a next diamond pattern, and now it is, in my opinion, really possible to break out soon. We can make a line from the upside to the downside. We can use it to here, to set it here, and you can see, guys, maybe this is the technical target, 53,300 for this technical pattern here. That's the first target, and then we have the next target, 55,500. It's CoinCodex prediction, and it's maybe the next Fibonacci line to the upside. It's also possible to break down. Remember, guys, we made yesterday, you can see it here. Remember this one? We made yesterday this doji star. So a doji star on the daily is a really bad pattern with a medium reliability, and it's also possible to break down with this diamond pattern to the downside. We also can use this line here, copy it, and yes, we can use it to break down to the downside. It's not so important if we are making it here or here. You can see it's fitting perfect. If we will break down, first target 48,300, it's the next Fibonacci line. If we will break down more, this is 48,000. This is a big support. Why? You can see it. This is this trend line to the downside. This is a big support for the moment. And yes, we can make it green. It is now a really big support. These are the targets to the upside. These are the targets to the downside. I can't predict the direction. We have a bad bearish target on the daily, but we have also a nice target for CoinCodex. Guys, everything is possible. Have a nice time. I hope you enjoy Christmas days. And guys, please keep an eye on my videos and follow me. Bye, guys.
System activated.